Hi friends, today we're going to talk about how we can mass change values on some authorization rules. So there's this transaction PFCG mass val. Okay, if I go here, okay, it's PFCG mass val. Okay, so this is the transaction PFCG and here what we are going to do is, suppose I want to change some value or the organization levels, field values of authorization objects for an object. So all these you can do in a massive way. So suppose here I want to do for something related with bookers. Okay, so what I'll do is, here I'll change. Suppose I want to change anything with, suppose, company code, uh, suppose 1701 to 1000 or something like that. So here suppose I do 1701 to 1000. Okay, and from here you can see I can select full authorization and I'll save it. Okay, and the moment I do this, this is done, it will be saved, and then I'll execute. Okay, so again, based on your the speed level of your internet, it may take some time. It may get reduce some time. Okay. So once this is done, it will show. So the transaction code is PFCG MassVal, and here if you see, I'll just execute. The moment I execute, I will get all these options. But the thing is, I do not have the authorization. But if you have the authorization, you can change this value and change this. So this is very, 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 very useful for maintaining mass authorization data. Okay, you can delete, add manual authorization for an object. You can change the field values. Okay, let's try to change the field value. Okay, here you can see you can add, and suppose here I want to do I can search for an authorization object. Okay, so here suppose I want to find an authorization object. Let me find, these are all, let me start with, suppose, B star. Okay, and suppose I want to search with, suppose, business partner. These are business partner stuff, so I will just do the normal ones. Okay, related with, suppose, buy plan and all those things. So let's go with, we'll just try to do with business partners. Okay, addresses. So if there is any authorization object that I want to change, and suppose values to be replaced, so here you can see it will clearly show what is the activity, and you want to change the values from this to this, 01 to 03. All these here you can see. You can say add or create, and you click save. Okay, values to be replaced, and here I'll select this employee related information and I'll save it, and now I'll execute this. Okay, and again here you see this is simulation, so here you can find all these things. So this is very, very handy, and I think you all will love this transaction code in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, and hope you will use it in your day-to-day life for SAP security.